he is an expert in the field of visualization and an authority in data fusion, Professor Robert Erdmann.
Yeah, it's always a delight to be one of the first people to see behind the layers of a painting, and it's really the secret life of paintings. There's a whole hidden world that the average viewer would not understand. It's what makes this an incredibly fun job.
His projects are in fact major ICT challenges.
What you're seeing here is a new visualization technology that's running in a web browser. We take very high-resolution photographs and infrared images of the paintings. We then fuse that data and use it to answer questions about who painted them. We can see the handwriting, if you will. We can see the sketches that are beneath the painting. We can see hidden figures.
Data from many sources can reveal unexpected dimensions in an artwork.
You see this fruit next to St. John, and if I show you what's happening in the infrared, which is able to penetrate through the surface layers of paint and show you what's happening behind the surface, this reveals the portrait of a donor who would have been painted next to his name saint. Why this was painted over, we're not sure. It's possible that the painting was commissioned by this individual, and then when it was time to pay, he didn't pay, and so he was painted out.
Erdmann's collaborations with other disciplines often result in new information that is, so to say, quite appealing.
So here you see a data fusion that involves combining visual imagery along with macro XRF scanning, which tells us information about the distribution of elements across the entire painting. This was collected by TU Delft, and also a radiograph. So we bring the data together into a single comprehensive picture. In this image, you're seeing a distribution of the mercury across the painting, which indicates the use of a pigment called vermilion. This is the distribution of calcium, showing the use of bone black pigment. This one's cobalt. By combining all this data into a single data set, we hope to both understand what the painting used to look like as well as what the painting will look like in the future, essentially to answer questions about the entire lifetime of the object from all the data that we can bring together at once.
Working with such a diverse mix of data and with colleagues of different specializations gives much satisfaction, says Erdmann.
And so being at the center of that, able to interact with conservators, with art historians, with scientists, and with the art makes my job incredibly fun, and I think we're making real progress because we can see things that we could never see before.
NICAS, the Netherlands Institute for Conservation Art and Science, will conduct research and publish about themes like material dynamics and the origin and meaning of works of art, and improving conservation treatments.